There's a bombardier approaching with his lights still on. Holy fuck, this kid's on the tracks. This kid's on the tracks, holy fuck. Oh no, 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 don't call that up outside. Blow the horn, blow the horn, blow the horn, blow the horn. Blow the horn. Come on, blow the freaking horn. This kid's there. Yes, I'm recording. Come on, engineer, come on, you have to see them kids. You're freaking that blind. No. Oh my god. It's the set you told me to look out for. 1066.